Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So, on the Ethereum chart here, we can see that the market is going up after reaching and reacting to the orange support region. These boxes can be used to look for entries, to look for positions. And the market is, moving up in line with the yellow wave count, which allowed for the interpretation of a B wave bounce, and in line with the white scenario, which actually allows for a direct move up. So either the market goes up more directly in a wave C of 5 into this blue target zone, which ideally, however, the first target is reached here at 5,740 plus. So we're looking for new all-time highs from here. So far, the levels are clearly being respected, which is good, which indicates our wave count is correct. So that's the white count, could send us higher more directly. In the yellow scenario, though, a wider B wave correction is possible, okay? This is only a potential, that's not a guarantee. I'm just highlighting that we have to consider if support levels break on the smaller time frame, that we might see the price test this orange support area again, right? Which, however, could be another opportunity, because it would simply be an extension of that B wave that possibly already finished in November. We could even say that the yellow count already, is it white or yellow? Difficult to say. The white count is valid as long as the November low, or let's say it's the mid-November low at $3,010 is holding. But it's also possible the A wave finished up there and this completed all of wave B, right? But that's really just in the detail. For now, I think we leave it like that because I want to point to the potential of testing this support area again. That's not a call. That's just highlighting the risk, the potential, or actually the opportunity, because if the price tests this area again between $2,407 and $3,167, it could be another opportunity. But we would need some evidence up here that this bounce is over or this rally is over. But overall, the daily chart points to the opportunity of new all-time highs, whether now or after one more low. But I'm not bearish, right? So I would flip bearish below $2,400 if the price breaks below the important support area here on the daily time frame. For further confirmation, we are going up more directly to new all-time highs. We need to see a break above $4,110, which is the top of the yellow A wave here on the daily time frame. Now I would say it makes sense to take a look at the short-term chart to get an understanding of what the key levels are on the micro level. So let's do that. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. And you can see that after the breakout yesterday, the market is on its way to this blue target area, and we had an upside breakout, indicating that the triangle pattern we were tracking as well, that allowed for one more low before starting that B wave. This path was not taken. Instead, the path for a direct B wave higher was taken, which doesn't change anything really, but it allows us to focus on this blue area, which was already there. It was already there, and it's between 3,688 and 4,011. So what's that for? So it's just an ideal target range for an internal B wave. Reminder, we're tracking either a larger A, B, C, and then go up, or we go up directly in the white count and would probably, move up somehow like this, and would go up eventually. For now, the focus is on higher in the short term, because I added earlier today, posted it already on Discord, I added a microstructure that we can follow, which is based on the idea that the market could be moving up in a C wave at the moment in this corrective B wave rally. So we should go a little bit higher anyway. The idea is that an internal B wave finished here as a triangle on the 1st of January. And we're now moving up in, an impulsive structure within wave C. And I would say it could send us to round about 3,808 next, maybe even 3,880. And I can identify after the triangle completed a wave 1 and a wave 2. We could be in an internal third wave now, which might get one more high. Actually, minimum expectations are already fulfilled for that, but it's probably not long enough. Then another wave 4 and another wave 5. that's how I see it at the moment. As long as the market is now holding above the intraday low, that's located at 3,575, further direct upside is possible. Any break below it might lead to we might have to consider that this wave 4 is already unfolding. We could add Fibonacci support. I mean, what I would add now is just here this Fib area, which could keep at least the short-term uptrend alive. And this would be the nearest support area I can offer. It's between 3,500 and 3,560. As long as this support area is holding, the overall local uptrend should stay intact. I can really only see a 3-wave move up in my interpretation at least. Can't see 5 yet. So this means the C wave is likely still unfolding, and bear in mind that the C wave should reach actually at least 100% extension if things go well, at least. So ideally higher based on the microstructure. So that means the short-term trend points still to the upside, especially after the breakout we had. Breakout point was here 3,550. So that was our signal. We want to go higher, and it has gone up higher since then. So I think it was a useful signal. That signal line was communicated, by the way, in previous videos here. Yeah, you see the market has been holding above that level now. It could be that in our pullback, we might even go slightly below. As you can see, the support area goes slightly below that breakout point. That's not a problem from an Elliott wave point of view, but there is no sign of a pullback, so we might go a little bit higher, a little bit more directly. So overall, short-term trend seems to be up. I added a support area, and when we have that pattern completed, we have to be very mindful that a larger top could form here. Further direct upside is of course possible, but let's first see if we can get this completed. Because as I mentioned, in the white scenario, we might take the direct path. I haven't specifically labeled it because this triangle actually points towards the possibility of an internal B wave, so we have to take it level by level. But I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you are interested in the membership, feel free to check out our channel page. It explains to you what's part of the membership. Here there's a video 2 minutes long that explains you the membership. Also, you can get access to our weekly member live stream. It happens every Sunday, and you can get access to member-only updates. Today, I uploaded AR, ARB, Atlas, Atom, AVAX. Yeah. In addition, there have been other additional updates in the days before, like Phantom, Render, Casper, Injective Atom, and so on. So check it out. If you are a gold member, you can also access our Discord server. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.